Hey YouTube family, welcome to Coding Quill. Today, we are starting our C programming series journey with our first introduction to computer system and computer languages. So, what is computer system? In short, a computer system is a combination of hardware and software that performs various tasks. Just think of it as a brain and a body working together. So, the brain is your hardware which processes and stores information, while the software, which is your body, which carries out instruction. For example, जब आप वीडियो गेम खेलते हो तब जो हार्डवेयर होता है वो ग्राफिक्स को प्रोसेस करता है और जो सॉफ्टवेयर होता है वो गेम के कमांड्स को एग्जीक्यूट करता है, which allows you to interact with the virtual world. Now, what is computer hardware? So, it is a physical component of a computer system which you can touch and feel. It includes with a brain of a computer, a CPU, central processing unit, random access memory, which is your RAM, storage devices such as hard drive and SSDs, input devices such as keyboard and mouse, output devices such as monitor, printer, and other peripheral devices. A common example of a computer hardware is your desktop computer tower, which contains CPU, memory, and storage devices. Now, on other hand, computer software refers to programs and applications that run on computer system. It includes system software such as operating system, which is our Windows OS, Mac OS, and Linux OS, and application software such as web browsers, word processors, and games. For example, MS Word is your application software, which is used for word processing, which allows user to create, edit, and format their documents. So, this is the base for introduction to computer system. Now we move on to computer languages. So, in order to communicate with the computer, user also needs to have a language that should be understood by the computer. So, for this purpose, different languages are developed for perform different types of work on computer. So, for that reason, language are divided into two categories. First is your low-level language, and second one is your high-level language. Low-level language are those language which are closely related to hardware and much harder for humans to understand. It is like you are directly speaking to computer in its own language. For example, it includes of assembly language and machine language. So, for the time we see what is machine language and assembly language. Imagine speaking to computer using only 0 and 1. It's like a secret code that only computer understand. On other hand, assembly language is slightly easier version of machine language. Instead of 0 and 1, we use only simple words and symbols that represent basic computer operation and can understand directly. Now, move on to high-level language, which is much more easier for humans to understand. It's designed to be closer to how we think. For example, we have multiple programming languages such as C programming language, C++ programming language, Java programming language, Python programming language, and much more. Now, in short, we can say low-level language are like speaking code directly to the computer, while high-level language are more like having a conversation in a language which we understand. So thanks everyone. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. Till then, see you on Thursday, 8th of February with a new topic.